A query template allows you to run a pre-formatted graph query, like a Cypher, Gremlin, or SparkQL query, on a specific node in one click. You need a run-read query access right to see and run existing query templates. To run a template, select a node and right-click on it. Hover the query item in the menu to display the list of query templates available for this node. You can find the same menu in the left side panel. If no templates are shown, it means there is nothing you can run on this category of node. Click on a template to run it against your graph. To see a list of all available query, click on the magic wand in the top left menu. Under the Template tab, you can see the list of queries shared with you and their details.